In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video editing using some of the built-in features of Filmora, specifically focusing on the audio aspect to make your project stand out. Filmora is a versatile video editing software that is great for both beginners and more experienced editors. And today, we're zeroing in on its music and audio features to add that professional touch to your creations. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to Filmora. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you download it from the official website and complete the installation process. Once you've opened Filmora, you'll see a user-friendly interface that might already feel familiar if you've used other editing software. The layout is intuitive, making it easy to find what you need quickly. Next, let's dive into the audio section, an area that can significantly elevate the impact of your video content. On the main taskbar, you should see a tab labeled Audio. Click on it, and you'll notice several categories displayed. Within these options, you'll find Music. Clicking on Music will present you with a variety of audio tracks at your disposal. Now, these tracks are particularly useful as they are copyright-free music provided by the Filmora platform. This means you can use them in your projects without worrying about running into any copyright issues, which is a huge plus if you're planning to post your videos on social media platforms or YouTube. Once you are in the music section, take your time to explore the library. Filmora offers a diverse range of tunes, from upbeat tracks to mellow melodies, catering to whatever mood or theme you are looking to achieve in your video. You can preview each track by hovering over it and clicking the play button. This helps you make sure the track aligns with the scene or emotion you're aiming to capture in your project. After choosing a track that fits your video's theme, adding it to your project is straightforward. Simply drag the selected track into your timeline. You can place it precisely where you want the music to begin, whether at the start of the video or perhaps to emphasize a particular section in the middle. At this point, it may be necessary to adjust the audio levels to match or complement any dialogue or sound effects in your video. You can easily adjust volume levels by clicking on the audio clip in the timeline and dragging the volume slider to ensure it doesn't overpower other audio elements in your project. And that's essentially it. With just a few clicks, you've now enriched your video with music, substantially enhancing the overall viewer experience. Remember, the key to effective video editing often lies in these small but impactful adjustments. By making the most of Filmora's built-in music library, you're well on your way to creating content that resonates with your audience. Thank you for following along, and happy editing.